Hey guys, this is Alan. I'm a realtor with Keller Williams Plano. I'm part of the Taylor team, and I'm doing an episode of Ride Along Realtor on the way to a closing. And it brings up a really good question that a lot of people ask, and that are what are the mortgage closing costs, and how are they different from down payment if they are different? It's a really good question because it can be confusing. The biggest thing to understand is you basically have two parts of a loan that you have to take care of on the front end. First of all is the down payment. Think of that as putting down money toward a loan as your first initial payment. It's just a big one normally. It's normally 3%, 5%, 10%, maybe even 20% depending on how much you want to put down. That is usually done because of how much you want to lower your monthly payment each month. But there's also requirements that lenders have. The other side is closing costs, and that's what gets people confused. Where is this coming from? It's typically about, 2 to 5% of your cost of your loan setting it up. That's recording fees. It's paying people that do anything in the process, title recording, maybe even pay for the title or survey. So those are two different parts that you have to understand. So as you have more questions about it, reach out.